come again and again to you, will he?
He came once to me. But as soon as you left, just go outside once.
Birds is scared of me because I'm extremely loud. Seeing if the bird actually goes near Yogi. By the way, the cocktail has gotten a lot better. Good job, Yogi.
Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Shut up. Oh, look at that. He climbed on Yogi's head. Look at the cutie. I can't keep turning my hand. Oh, no, you don't. No, you don't.
See, he looks so much better compared to what he was like a few days ago. And look at that guy craving for attention there. You want attention, don't you? And here's our good old Luna. Luna! Now obviously we don't want to get all of them out at the same time. You're going to eat the camera. It's not a giant seed.
You're not even that close to it. You're just zooming.
We don't want all of them to, come out at the same time because they're different bird breeds and they might, become aggressive.
They did. Oh, climbing upside down, giving up phone. I got a great recording.
Okay, Lorikeet starts climbing upside down. I'm gonna call you Raichu.
Eve.
No, Raichu. Raichu.
Eve.
Raichu.
Everest.
Oh, Everest is a good name, but I prefer Raichu.
No.
Attention craver. You want all the attention to be towards you. Right? Of course, it's not too lighty around here. Look at cute Everest or Raichu
Or Cockatiel.
Also, this guy could go because he has a friend waiting for him. Actually, one of the akkas wanted to. Bro, you're allowing Yogi to. You trust Yogi. You
No,
trust
his crest is up. That shows he's very distressed.
He's distressed.
Or he's just stressed. He's nervous.
You're nervous.
Don't go too close, please.
Yeah, I'm zooming. That's why. Hey, you're on top. And now, as you can see, he's not chewing his own feathers, which indicates that we have successfully gotten rid of his stupid infection. Again, great job for Yogi on that one. You're eating food. I just got the thumbnail. And you, good boy.
English.
You've been a really good boy as well. Right?
I just opened it.
You've been a very good boy.
Yes, boss. Ew.
Who's a good boy? Now the great, good old Luna. Do you remember him when he got lost and then he ended up coming to my house? I do. And I accidentally keep calling Luna a boy even though Luna's a girl. And why do you move a lot? You're very nervous for some reason. Maybe you don't like cameras. Yeah. No, you're just trying to grab attention. You good little bird. You're a good bird, right? You're being an extremely good bird today. You're not biting your own feathers. He's actually still struggling to fly for some reason. He's going to come on to my friend here. Probably not. And you are climbing up, boy. Why do you shout so much? You want the camera to be pointed at you the whole time.
Why am I doing?
You're being such a good bird, right? I hope you continue to be a very good bird. The reason why the bird was screeching so much is the birds feedy time, and we need Yogi's dad to come and feed him. I mean, we need to cut the veggies first and then we need to put them. And also, yeah, that's the reason why they're screeching. Their food was actually getting prepared. Now here there was a small misunderstanding in the previous video where actually one of the persons commented that we are actually clipping the birds' wings so that they don't escape. We don't do that. And also the Lorikeet was actually found on the streets. So any such comment is not true. Apart from that, I had made a joke in the previous video about my lucrative view making business. It's just been a kind of meme or a joke. It's not actually true. Me and my friend, we honestly love the birds a lot and we'd like to continue keeping it that way. We rescue birds, we save them, we keep them happy. We don't exploit them. And the reason why we're having so many bird videos is because the birds are actually accepting us to take videos. Normally the birds just fly away. As you can see, they didn't. And yeah, this has just been a hobby. Our main goal is to always keep the birds happy, and thank you if you made it till the end.